Well, ho ho ho, and a hearty Merry Christmas to each and every one of you, my friends. I was hoping to do another Color Classic video before the end of this year, but each and every day for multiple hours a day, I'm doing such extensive testing that I just don't have time to film. And I'm not sure if that testing is going to conclude in time for me to film it, edit it, render out, and upload it to YouTube. So this short video you're watching today is my year-end update and a special unboxing. Now, before I do the unboxing, I'd like to offer my heartfelt thanks to every one of you who have so very kindly subscribed to this channel this year and keep it growing in popularity. We've roughly reached 4,000 subscribers now at the time that you're watching this video, which is a new milestone for me, and I'm really excited about it. According to Google Analytics, for this YouTube channel, I've been picking up about 86 subscribers on average for the past several months. So whether you're a new subscriber to this channel or whether you've been subscribed for a number of years, I wish to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support, and I wish to promise in my commitment to you that I'm going to keep the vintage Mac videos flowing. And I also wish to offer a big word of thanks to those of you who have gone the extra mile and donated to this channel by PayPal. I'd like you to know that those donations are used to enable me to purchase things that keep the content interesting. And not only that, but to keep your viewing experience great, I deliberately keep those bothersome YouTube ads switched off. Now, for those of you who do pay to have YouTube Premium, you're not plagued with ads anyway. But the vast majority of you out there just use regular old YouTube like I do and are really, beaten up with ads. Every time you watch an instructive video, maybe it's about how to solder or you're learning how to do something, and right smack in the middle, when your concentration is at the peak, you're blasted with 2 back-to-back ads that you can't disable. And so to eliminate that headache from this channel, since I only have 4,000 subscribers, it's not a big channel, I'm not going to be benefited monetarily by the ads anyway, why should I blast you with ads? That's just my opinion. And so I keep them deliberately switched off. It was last year, about November, that YouTube mentioned we're gonna blast every channel in the US of A with ads, even smaller channels that have less than 1,000 subscribers, people who can't even sign up for Google AdSense. And so it was that that pushed me last year to sign up for Google AdSense. I said, well, I'm probably gonna be hit with them anyway, might as well sign up for it. But to my delight, when you sign up for Google AdSense and you have more than 1,000 subscribers, the ads are disabled by default. And the only reason the ads come on is because those YouTubers are switching them on. Well, I am keeping them turned off so that when you come to this channel, you can be assured that the only thing you're going to be able to see on this channel is the main content that you want to see. And it's my intent to keep the ads switched off for the foreseeable future. All right, now it's time for the special unboxing. There were 2 beautiful boxes that arrived at my door very recently, and I have a pretty good idea who they're from, but as you're about to see, I need to open the boxes to really confirm who it is. With all of this resealed by customs tape, you can't quite figure out who it's from. And let's see if I can get this thing open here. Will you look at this Apple Macintosh SE Reverse Engineering Team polo shirt, including the logo on the back. Oh my goodness. You've got parts and oh. Look at this beautiful thing, my friends. We have the Kai Robinson SE Reloaded project. An absolutely beautiful board here. Blue board, glossy with gold contacts. Just perfect. And not only that, but look what else was included in this anti-static wrap. A black edition of the same board. Not only is it black, but it is a matte black. Will you look at that? Just stunning. You see the SIM slots would go here. This is the Macintosh SE board, folks. designed by Kai Robinson, an amazing feat of cloning that he did in coming up with these boards. And we also have another one here. Well, we still have this big guy here. A custom foam cushion for a Macintosh SE computer. And of course, Kai also included a bag of components, SIM sockets, 68,000 CPU, just amazing. Kai, you are absolutely amazing, not only for what you sent over here as a Christmas bonus, but for having made this board. I mean, Kai is just an amazing engineer who was able to reverse engineer the entire SE motherboard to rescue computers like this. I mean, this guy is a bit beat up on the outside, but the worst part is on the inside. Because when you have many of these computers that are battery bombed, specifically by MacCell batteries that just spray their guts everywhere. It's acidic, it eats into the board, and sometimes you can repair the boards if you send it off to some repair genius like Bruce Rain of Brankus Creations. He does a lot of work like that. But there are some boards that are damaged beyond repair that even Bruce or Mac84 cannot repair. And you know, in that case, what do? You look for another Macintosh SE board, or you can now build one yourself. Now, there are some components that you will need to pull from a working, or I should say, at least some of the chips that are working from an existing donor SE board, which usually you have a battery bomb board, and you can bring those over to your Kai Robinson boards. But there are many components, as you can see here, that you can still buy. In fact, I have a bag of components like that, purchased from Mouser primarily. These are many of them new components that are still sold today. And I purchased 2 full boards worth of components. I mean, almost $170 actually. Prices have really gone up over the past year, a lot higher than I thought they would be. But I purchased these components because I wanted to have a pristine looking board. But there are still some components that have to be pulled from another board, and Kai has very kindly sent me some of those components here. But whenever you embark upon doing the same kind of build, you will need to borrow some of components off of your old SE board, or at least acquire one to do that. But being able to buy many of the components new, or new old stock, some of the components I purchased from UT Source in China, will allow you to build up a fully working board. And you might say, well, why do it? Why not just get another machine? And the answer is because it's an amazing project, right? I mean, that's what we hobbyists do. We build things, we fix things, and Kai Robinson has given us the ability to really make something quite nearly brand spanking new. And it's just so awesome. I want to release 2 Color Classic videos before I actually do this build, so I'm just giving you some advance notice. I want to do my VGA mod video for the Mystic, and I also want to do my overclocking video, which is just going to be stunning. But after that, I want to do this SE Reloaded build for you in early 2022. So thank you for watching this short video, folks, today, and I wish you a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful new year. I hope it's better for you in 2022 than it was this year. Be kind to others. What goes around comes around. Share the love, and have a great holiday season, folks. Don't eat too much. Bye-bye.